I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm taking my thrift store console table and I'm going to give it a glam leopard print makeover. I hope you enjoy.
You took all the blame when I fathered.
Guys, I've had this console table now for a few years. I got it for just $15 at a thrift store. I've had it painted turquoise for all that time. But what I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm going to transform it. Starting first of all by giving it a very good sand down. I'm going to start by removing the drawers and then taking my favourite black paint. Now this is by Dulux and it's called Theatre Black. And taking a roller, I'm going to paint the entire table. Going over the entire piece, and this is my first coat, but I ended up doing 3 coats in total.
I wanna say that I'm sorry, I got sidetracked and I left you in the cold. I've seen your side of the story, I felt the drawback, my mistake took its toll. Finally I have
Guys, black is sometimes a colour that we need quite a few coats for to cover what is underneath, but I was already loving the result so far. Now my plan is to put fabric on top of this table, so I'm not too fussed on how the top looks. I wanted to put the black over the top of the turquoise just so the turquoise wouldn't show through the fabric. With lots of time on our hands, I'm always looking for DIY projects to do, and I had this one in mind after seeing some amazing leopard print furniture on Pinterest.
If you care about me at all, you should focus on your problems, not putting the blame on me. So I won't pick up your call, I don't wanna talk about it. You know that we disagree. You always have to have the last word, don't you? Or you do things that you regret.
Now once I was finished, I let the table dry and I started on the drawers. Now I had this beautiful leopard print fabric that I've picked up a few weeks ago at Spotlight. I had it ready for this DIY. So what I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm going to take some of this adhesive spray and I'm going to cut to size a piece of fabric to go at the front of the drawer.
If you care about me at all, you should respect my boundaries. Don't come knocking on my door.
Now the key is here is to just spray the drawer first of all and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. This will make the glue quite tacky before you place the fabric onto the drawer.
Never felt the limits holding you back. And I'm just wishing you.
You're then going to flip the drawer on its face and then going to secure the edges. Then you're going to trim off any excess. Removing the previous hardware, I had a stash of glam handles that I collect from TK Maxx every time I come across ones that I like. So what I'm doing here, guys, is just adding the screw from the inside of the drawer and then punching a hole with my scissors and then screwing it through the fabric.
If you care about me at all, this can't go on.
I then started on my second drawer, repeating the same steps.
I don't wanna find somebody new, 'cause nobody will know just what to do. When you get all fired up and you hit where you know it will hurt the most.
After gluing it all in place, I then added the additional handle.
Not even me.
I then added the drawers back into the table and I was already loving how it looked.
I got so much to say, never thought it would end this way. I've had so many thoughts spinning.
I then took some additional fabric and cut it to size for the top of our table.
Never thought they would do such harm. You got so many reasons spinning in your head. That's why you
Now you want to make sure that you leave enough overhang for the front and the sides.
in your chest. Leave us for the best or you would break. That is why you left without a text. I miss you, babe. I'm forgiving everything that we said when we were drunk. It doesn't matter 'cause it all came from.
You're then going to go in with that spray adhesive again, guys, and giving the top of the table, you're going to go in with 2 coats.
Missing everything that we had. I miss you, babe. I miss you, babe.
Now again, I left it to dry for 2 or 3 minutes so it gets that really tacky feel. And then I'm going to place the fabric in the position. I'm then going to tuck everything under and secure the corners by overlapping them. Now you want to make sure that you line everything up so it looks even from the back. The best part about using this spray adhesive, guys, is if you make a mistake or things are not lining up, you can lift it off almost like wallpaper and then secure it back down. Now I'm just going in with my hand here to smooth everything out, but you could go in with either a credit card or some form of scraping tool like you would use on wallpaper. Now I'm starting starting to tuck everything under, and off camera I trimmed off some excess. Here on the corners, what I'm doing is I'm just overlapping them like a bed corner, and I then secured it underneath with more glue.
You know everything about me, like I need my territory. So why are you still so needy? You're in over your head. Phone is ringing, always at a bad time. Every time you flash your name, always leaving. Then you got me chasing you like I'm the one to blame. Oh, I think you're so rude. Don't wanna fight you. You don't ever take a break, 'cause you love drama. Forget the karma. No, you don't ever take a break. It's always about you. Always about you. Oh, I don't wanna fight you, but now you're so rude, 'cause you love drama.
Guys, I'm so excited with how this came. I had a vision, I seen so many ideas on Pinterest, and I knew that I could create this for next to nothing out of a thrift store find.
Changed in a matter of time. First you were so easy, but now I can't even get through to your mind, 'cause you don't wanna listen. I know everything about you, like it's hard for you to be true. Oh, funny.
With all this free time on our hands, I encourage you to shop your own home. Maybe you have that old table that you'd like to give a new lease of life. I was so excited watching this come together, guys, and I couldn't wait to share it with you.
Oh, I think you're so rude. Don't wanna fight you. You don't ever take a break, 'cause you love drama. Forget the karma.
Now, with the restrictions in place when it comes to shopping, guys, I encourage you to go through your linen cupboard. You may have an old bed sheet or a doona cover that is in a leopard print fabric. This would be ideal for you to cut up and create, so you could add this to your own table. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home.
Trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way.
If you like glam decorating ideas, DIY projects and home tours, my channel just might be for you. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
Touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at DIYing your very own Glam Leopard Print console table.
You're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelle's Glam Home.
Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching. Please stay safe and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.